Weathering is the gradual breakdown and disintegration of rocks that are near the Earth's surface into smaller particles by physical, chemical, and biological processes. There are two main types of weathering: mechanical, or physical, weathering, which involves the breakdown of rocks without altering their chemical composition, and chemical weathering, which involves the decomposition or decay of rocks through chemical reactions that change their mineral composition. 10 differences between mechanical and chemical weathering. 1. Nature of process. Mechanical weathering involves the physical breakdown of rocks into smaller fragments without changing their chemical structure, while chemical weathering involves the alteration of the chemical composition of rocks through reactions such as oxidation and hydrolysis. 2. Main agents. The main agents of mechanical weathering are temperature changes, frost action, pressure release, and biological activity, while the main agents of chemical weathering include water, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and organic acids. 3. End product. In mechanical weathering, the resulting particles retain the same mineral composition as the original rock, whereas in chemical weathering, new substances like clay, oxides, and soluble salts are formed. 4. Speed of process. Mechanical weathering tends to be faster in arid and cold regions where temperature fluctuations and frost action are common, while chemical weathering is more effective in hot, humid climates where moisture and heat promote chemical reactions. 5. Role of water. In mechanical weathering, water mainly acts physically, for example in freeze-thaw action, while in chemical weathering, water acts as a solvent that enables chemical reactions to take place within the rock. 6. Influence on rock appearance. Mechanical weathering results in angular, coarse fragments such as scree and boulders, while chemical weathering tends to produce smooth, rounded, or decomposed rock surfaces as minerals dissolve or change form. 7. Type of rock breakdown. Mechanical weathering breaks rocks by physical forces like expansion and contraction, whereas chemical weathering weakens rocks by altering the internal mineral bonds through chemical changes. 8. Impact on rock composition. The mineral composition of rocks remains unchanged in mechanical weathering, while chemical weathering changes the minerals into different chemical compounds or entirely new materials. 9. Examples of processes. Examples of mechanical weathering processes include freeze-thaw action, exfoliation, and pressure release, while chemical weathering processes include carbonation, oxidation, hydration, and hydrolysis. 10. Long-term effects. Mechanical weathering mainly affects the rock's size and shape, aiding erosion and transport, whereas chemical weathering contributes significantly to soil formation by releasing essential minerals and nutrients from decomposed rock.